Hello friends, let's coloring sea creature and I have some cute stickers to complete these creatures. So let's start. Let's say the name firstly. This is fish. This is jellyfish. This is octopus. This one is oyster. This is mermaid and last one is crab. Let's start coloring in tortoise firstly. This color is yellow. This is orange and this one is red. This is done. Now we'll paste the stickers. Here we go. Let's paste this one. This is fish. Where is fish? Here is it, half of fish. This way. The next half is jellyfish. Where is jellyfish? This one? No. This one? No. I think this one is jellyfish. Let's paste it. Yes, so nice. Next picture is octopus. Where is? No, this one is frog. This one? No. This one is crab. This one is octopus. Very nice. Next picture is oyster. Where is oyster? I think this one is oyster. This way. Yes, it's ready. Next one is mermaid. Is this mermaid? No. Is this mermaid? No, no. Here is mermaid. This is the half part of mermaid. Let's paste it. Good job. Next one is crab. Where is crab? Is this a crab? This one? Yeah, this one. Here we go. Yes, so the sea creature are ready. Do you like the video? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.